celebrate exemplary achievements in digital governance, we are extremely grateful that Honorable President has kindly consented to confer the Digital India Awards. It is my proud privilege to welcome the President of India to the awards ceremony. Sir, we are honored with your gracious presence. I welcome Honorable Minister of Law and Justice, Communications, Electronics and IT, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, who has always been a source of inspiration to us. I welcome Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Shri Ajay Sahni, who constantly guides us and shows us the way ahead. I also welcome on the dais Special Secretary and FA, Mrs. Jyoti Arora, and Additional Secretary, Mighty Dr. Rajendra Kumar. Hearty welcome to the winners of Digital India Awards 2020 who are connected with us through video conferencing from multiple locations across India. Warm welcome to jury members and everyone else who has joined us online from India and abroad. An overwhelming response was received this year with 400 nominations in 6 award categories. A special category, Innovation in Pandemic, has been instituted to honor those initiatives which have enabled governments and empowered citizens during challenging times of this pandemic. Scientifically designed process was followed by IIT Delhi to evaluate each nomination. Shortlisted nominations were further assessed by the esteemed jury chaired by Secretary Mighty. Jury interacted with the shortlisted teams online and selected 24 initiatives that have made significant impact on the lives of citizens. Presence of our Honorable President will encourage and motivate the awardees to scale their initiatives to further heights. Thank you, sir, for your kind presence. I once again welcome you all to this award ceremony. Thank you.
धन्यवाद डीजी एनआईसी डॉक्टर नीता वर्मा। और अगली कैटेगरी का नाम है ओपन डेटा चैंपियन अवार्ड।
ओपन डेटा चैंपियन अवार्ड देश की उन्नति के लिए देश को चाहिए डेटा, अपने ही करोड़ों देशवासियों के बारे में। इसी डेटाबेस और रिसोर्सेज की जरूरत पूरी करने वाले हमारे सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स के नाम, उनकी बढ़ती ऊंचाइयों के नाम एक अवार्ड, ओपन डेटा चैंपियन अवार्ड।
और इस कैटेगरी में प्लैटिनम अवार्ड गोज टू हेल्थ सेक्टर ऑन ओजीडी प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिया। Health sector data available on a real-time basis using APIs. इसमें शुद्धता, संपूर्णता, विश्वसनीयता तथा समयबद्धता का खास ख्याल रखा गया है और ये सभी अवार्डीज दिल्ली से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। गोल्ड अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है रिसर्च डेटा मैनेजमेंट इन ICAR. ICAR has enabled single window access to knowledge generated from all ICAR institutes and opens new avenues through web services. और ये सभी अवार्डीज दिल्ली से ही हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। सिल्वर अवार्ड के हकदार रहे फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया। FCI has transformed its management information system with automation of the entire process from farm to food. इससे सार्वजनिक वितरण प्रणाली में पारदर्शिता सुनिश्चित हुई है और ये सभी अवार्डीज दिल्ली से ही हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। Silver Award has been bagged by Office of the Development Commissioner, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME. रिच डेटा सेट देकर पारदर्शिता की एक नई मिसाल कायम की गई है। MSME has created a huge scope for research institutions and academic communities to use analytics in MSME sector. सभी विनर्स दिल्ली से हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। और अगले